Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Uber Eats promo code not applied. So let me show you if you face this kind of error that you have applied a promo code and it's not working. Same goes for here, right? The promo code is not working. So how you can fix it? So the first thing that to fix it, ensure that the promo code has not expired, right? Because I generally use Uber Eats and most of the time this expiration date is around max to max 1 week, or it get expired into the next 3 days. So make sure it's not expired, right? You can verify this by going to the promotion section in the app under wallet, or to see the details and expiration date. The second thing is that review terms and condition, because in most of the promo code which I've seen in Uber ads, it get applied to certain product or certain restaurants, right? So if you have if you're using a promo code, make sure that you read the terms and condition. Now, the fourth thing is that try different payment methods. Maybe that promo code is for a different bank card, right? And this could be a reason for it. So make sure you check it. And the next method you can try apply. If you're using an account that has a previously redeemed a promo code, you may not be eligible for the same offer again. Some code can only be used once per month. So this is the reason, and the last, that is, you can contact the customer support. They will give you the specific right reason that why it's not working, and if it's there could be an issue, then they will help you to fix it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.